go. Do not abort the game, bro. Do not abort the game. Do not even think about it. Oh, oops, I hung my queen. I tried to be a Lafonger there. That was me being my Lafonger, doing my Lafonger. Oh, why did I play that? That's so stupid. I'm playing this game very poorly, by the way. Hack! This is why it's so hard. Wow. Did I just blunder again? Wait, I just gotta move. Why? Whoa, what's that? Oh, he just blunders. Oh my gosh, he blunders. Okay, wait a second. I'm back in business. Let's go. I didn't realize I've got so much material here. Yeah, okay, another win. Take the rook. Okay.